Most people don't know this, but there's a car out there that's about to change everything. It's got an engine that you'll never see again, beast that roars with power, grace, and luxury. But this is the last time it's ever going to exist. This isn't just any car. It's the final W12 engine from Bentley, a 12-cylinder masterpiece that's been dominating the roads for over 20 years. Imagine 740 horsepower, the kind of power that makes your heart race just by hearing it. You've never felt anything like it. Now here's the real shocker. Bentley's retiring. The W12, that's right, after the Batur, no more. This is the last time this engine will ever roar to life. The end of an era. Why? Because Bentley's future is electric. The Batur is the swan song of the W12, a perfect send-off for the legendary engine that made Bentley the king of luxury performance. This car is history in the making, the Bentley Batur. The most powerful and final W12 Bentley ever built, and once it's gone forever.